going on, everybody? I posted a video before, but I didn't like it, so I'm reposting it again and putting this back on YouTube. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube page. My name is Kevin Bentley, but I go by Dwayne Music or KB Productions, however you want to say it. I'm reposting this video. The other one I didn't like it, so if you didn't see it, don't worry about it. But in my previous before video, I did a song that I was working on, and I did it in Reason. And the way the song kind of came about was I listened to a song by Deli Swah. He's a producer of music, and he used some violins in one of his songs. And I was like, man, you know what? I kind of want to try something like that. So I made a song, and I just basically put violins at the front of it, and just kind of going through the rest of the song, but you can't really hear it much. But anyway, I hadn't really made music in almost 2.5 years, and so I've been away from the page for a minute. So appreciate it. I appreciate everybody that's been hanging in with me, and while I was on a hiatus. And so anyway, I'm going to play the song that I made. The vocals and everything I did myself. I don't really have anybody that I know that sings or lives close to me, so I sung the vocals myself. Take that for whatever it's worth. But as I always say, thanks for everybody to visiting my page. It's good seeing you again. And as I say always, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I'm just posting, man. Now I'm just gonna play some of how the song goes. This is without the words, and basically what I started out with was, I don't know if I'm talking too loud or not, but basically what I started out with was the Rhodes and the violin sound, and then the drums. Those are the violins. Then I added drums. And that's it. So I'm gonna play the song that when I added the words and everything else to it. All right.